Next, construction of triangle, that is next part. Next method will be going to learn to construct a triangle given two sides and the angle included by them. Okay, first that too will be see it from the practice set 3 to construct a triangle. That is second part, to construct a triangle given two sides and the angle included by them. That too will be going to see it from the practice set 3. In that, what is been given? Draw the measures given below. What is the question? Draw triangles with the measures given below. First is given in triangle MAT, length MA is equal to 5.2 centimeter. Measure angle A is equal to 80 degree and length AT is equal to 6 centimeter. Okay, before going to draw the actual triangle, we'll draw a rough figure of the given construction or the given triangle. Angle A is a acute angle. Angle A is a acute angle that will be going to draw. First we'll draw the rough figure, just a rough figure. What is there? Length MA is been given, or we'll draw length AT as a base, just for a rough figure. AT, this is AT, and angle A is 80 degree, so it is small angle, means it is acute angle, so it will be like this. This is 80 and angle A, this is angle A is 80 degree, and MA is how much? M is 5.2 and 80 is how much? 6 centimeter. So then after that we'll join this is just an rough figure. Okay, 5.2, this is MA and this. Okay, now next we'll be going to draw actual figure. First, what you have to draw? You have to draw a base. You have to draw a base with the help of the pencil. First we'll draw the base, that is 6 centimeter 80 length 6 centimeter. Okay, this is 0 1 6 centimeter till we'll draw is 6 centimeter. What is the which side? This is 80, 6 centimeter. Okay, then we'll draw angle A. Angle A. What is angle is been given? Angle A is 80 degree. We'll draw the angle. After drawing the this one base, after drawing the base, you will always have to draw the angle which is given in the measurement. Which angle is being given? Angle A. So we'll keep it on a angle A. Then we'll draw how much its measurement is 80 degree. So 0 10 we have to use protractor for this. 0 10 20 30 you have to see the down numbers on the protractor. These upward numbers will be, you have to count it from this side, and from the whenever you're drawing angle from the right side, you have to see the down numbers. 0 10 20 30 40 50 60 70 80. This is 80. Then we'll draw this 80. You have to draw, you will draw a long line 80. Where this has been, you have to take a point 80. Okay, this is angle A has been drawn 80 degree. We'll write its measurement. You have to write the measurement very carefully. Then what is being given? Side 80. 80 is we have already drawn 6 centimeter. Angle A is already we have drawn 80. Then what is next? MA. This is A, and which point is remaining? M. Means it is on this line MA. So what? How much it is? 5.2. So take your scale and keep it. Then measure 5.2. Keep it 0. This compass point 5.2. 4 5 5.2. This. Then keep it on A and draw an arc which intersect the ray which we have drawn, and where it intersect, give a name M. If you'll measure this MA na, it will be actually 5.2. See this 5, and this is 5.2. So we will be going to write 5.2 centimeter. Then after that you can join this M and T also, which is not been given, so it can be anything. This is M T. So this is the way you should draw the triangle when two sides have been given and the angle is given which is included in the both the side. First, what you should draw? Always you should draw an base. Always you should draw the base. Then after that you have to draw an angle included by that side. That is, in this figure A is been given, so we have drawn 80 degree with the help of the compass. Then we have drawn. Then what has been left? Next side has been left 80. So with the help of the compass we have took the distance between on the scale with the help of the compass, that is 5.2, and we have drawn an arc which intersect on the ray which we have drawn. Then we have joined this MT also in the end, and this is the way you should draw the figure of construction of a triangle when two sides has been given and the angle included by. Hope you have understood this one also. Okay, thank you my dear students. Now next we'll be going to learn about The third type of triangle, construction of a triangle, that is to construct a triangle given two angles and the included side. What is third one? To construct, third type of construction of a triangle, that is to construct a triangle given two angles and the included side. That too also will be going to learn from practice set 4.